All right, just a quick Ducati video here. This is my 2020 Ducati Diavel 1260S, my favorite bike of all time. One thing I don't like about motorcycles in general is if you have to use the key to take off your gas cap. So I did get this TWN made in Italy keyless gas cap here, and I think it looks great. The problem is that over time, and I've had this I want to say over a year now. Yeah, definitely over a year, maybe a year and a couple of months. And my dealer had left this out in the sun, and that used to be red. This little handle right here used to be red, and now it is like a kind of like a faded pink color. You can still see the red on the TWM logo here, and that Italian flag logo. That's proper red. This is pink. And on a Ducati Diavel, you don't want to have pink components, unless you're a girl, of course. I am not. So I expected that I'd have to just buy a whole new part. So I contacted TWM, who again is in Italy, but they have an office in Florida. And I told them what happened, and I sent them a picture, and boom, in the mail, no questions asked. They sent me a brand new one, and we're gonna replace that. See the difference? Beautiful. All right, let's take a look. So we go from this. Oh, she's back to beautiful. Wow. Now that matches the aesthetic of the bike with the black and red, you know, mostly black, but just touches of red here and there. Obviously you got your trellis frame. I've got these CNC racing grips, plus these red Rizoma bar ends. Just a little bit of red to pop out, like this red thread on the S model of the seat, and matching the little S there that's also red. And I think it's just a nice touch. But let's talk about this company, because TWM, I've had this for a year and a half, and it's an expensive part. It's a beautiful machined aluminum, and they just sent me a brand new one without any problems. They didn't even ask me to pay for shipping, and that is what I call great customer service. That's what I call a company that I can get behind, a company that I will be working with in the future to buy more parts. So I am hereby endorsing TWM made in Italy components for your Ducatis or for any other motorcycles, because they stand behind their products, and I find that to be epic. Great job, TWM. All right, just a quick video. It's not often that you see a manufacturer do something like that, so I wanted to recognize them, and the Ducati Diavel is back to being 100% beautiful. Love it. Let me know what you guys think. Gratuitous shot of the babies. Got the 2020 Diavel 1260S, 2021 Monster 937, and the 2022 Multistrada V4S. All right, guys, always remember the motto, always be kind of the necessary, and I will see you in the next one.